Excellent potential for 5 bedrooms, 3-bedroom septic, in this totally renovated home with open floor plan, huge center island and stuffing kitchen with quartz countertops. Decorative tile backsplash, both a double oven and a double sink, stainless appliances and all completely open to both the living room and dining room. Excellent home for entertaining. Pellet stove with stone surround adds ambience to this already charming living room. The family room has a large closet and plenty of windows, so it could be an excellent first floor primary bedroom. Everything you need to live completely on the main floor, bedroom, laundry, and totally renovated full bath, wood floors throughout upstairs and down. French doors lead to a large deck overlooking the private park-like yard. Upstairs offers another completely renovated full bath. This very large home has room for all and is in excellent updated Conidiation. 2 separate driveways allows plenty of parking without shuffling cars. Come and see this home, it will not disappoint. Right on the border of West Milford, close to shops and dining and an easy commute.